Hi, we're Team Lab Pilot. I'm Willie. I'm currently a biotech researcher at CMU. Before that, I founded a startup company for 2 years. I've also worked as an investment banker at Bank of America.
Hi, I'm McGinnis. I'm studying robotics at CMU. My background is computer science, automation in biological experimentation. I used to work as an automation engineer at a personalized cancer therapeutic company.
Hey, I'm Shivang, and I'm a current CME student of robotics. I have a huge background in AI and robotics. I was a founding engineer of a startup which currently partnered with Microsoft.
All right. Today I'm holding a very normal notebook, the kind you can buy for $8 at any grocery store. Would you be surprised if I tell you it's worth millions? Inside these pages are years of science research that could lead to the next breakthrough of drug treatment. But what if the researchers leave and this valuable knowledge will get locked away in these paper notes? We've seen FDA approvals delayed for months because crucial data was buried in former employees' notebooks, putting millions of dollars investment on hold. And think about it. If you are in charge of this company, would you feel safe keeping this most valuable intellectual property in this single notebook? If you can scale it without detailed validation from your previous employee, critical details lost. And maybe that's the key to your sample preparation of how you're going to file your FDA for the drug approval, the drug that your team has spent years and millions of dollars in developing.
And we face similar problems in the research lab that I currently work in. Earlier last year, I took over a research project from a postdoc who's leaving the lab. The only thing I have are his written paper notebooks. It's difficult to understand the content because I do not have the research context. I might be able to understand, right, what are the reagents in a tube, but if I want to understand why that tube is created for the first place, I have to read through all his notes. We ended up having a lot of email back and forth between me and the postdoc, and I also end up having to redo a lot of the experimentations because I do not have the context. That costs time and money.
Yeah. So here's where LabPilot comes in, which has two services. One is digitalization handwritten notes. Another is AI powered pilot to assist lab workers and researchers during experiment. To tackle handwritten notes, we are developing a system designed to accurately convert handwritten notes into text. There will be a customizable tagging features to meet customer specific requirement. Also, there is a proofreading model to ensure the extracted text is error-free. By using this, person can click photo of handwritten notes and our solution will convert into organized and tagged scientific notes. So before lab pilot, lab workers spend a lot of time in searching the required documents. Suppose he want to search about PCR experiments. Normally the lab worker has some idea of a date range of that experiment or maybe some other idea, but still he has to fold a lot of files and pages to find the right documents. What if some new person joined the lab? His life will be so hard. But with our lab pilot, which has a tagging filter, lab worker can find the right documents. Also for William's case, if he wants to understand why a tube is created, he can either read through all past notes or a lab pilot can help. Our AI powered pilot can answer all the queries of the lab worker and even provide the respective documents. Also, this helped in preventing mistakes from happening. Our small model does not require high computational hardware. So user don't need to spend million of dollars on hardware setup and can deploy on a smaller device like mobile phone. Ultimately, lab pilot saving energy, money, time while boosting productivity.
We intend to sell our services to two types of primary customers. First are the research and development team at biotech companies, and second are the biology research lab at universities. Our services can be sold separately or combined. For digitization service, there will be a one-time service contract. For users who want to continue to use paper notebooks, they can also continue to subscribe our service with an annual subscription fee. For language model services, there will be a one-time charge for the initial setup and training of their tailored model. After that, it will also be an annual subscription. The life science and analytics tools market is a huge and growing market. According to Novo One Advisor, it is estimated to be at $12 billion in 2023 and will grow to $27 billion within 10 years.
We believe our team and advisors bring together the perfect blend of lab automation, biology, AI, and business expertise. And we're just secured a partnership with the CMU BioLab for our first prototype testing. We think it's a perfect time for lab pilot. Breakthroughs in AI and transformer OCR technology have made accurate digitization of a complex scientific data finally possible. This isn't just about going paperless, it's about preparing lab and biotech companies for the future of automated research, help them lay the foundation for fully automated workflows that will revolutionize how research is done. Thank you for your time.